Presenting Samsung Galaxy M35 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It is available in colors Thunder Grey, Daybreak Blue and Moonlight Blue. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Features with 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution with 1080 by 2340 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and has 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with 50MP f1.8 main wide-angle camera plus 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide-angle camera plus 2MP f2.4 macro-angle camera which has OIS and nightography and 13MP f2.2 selfie camera and has video maximum resolution of Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 at 30 fps. It has Exynos 1380 processor with vapor cooling chamber, latest Android 14 operating system having One UI 6.1 platform, 2.4 GHz, 2 GHz clock speed with the octa-core processor. It offers a massive 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery with C-type fast charging, 25 watts charging support. The box contains smartphone, data cable, Type-C to C, SIM ejector pin and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.